The goal of Solitaire is to transfer all of your cards to the foundation piles arranged from ace at the bottom to king at the top. Throughout Solitaire, you will be manipulating the table in order to find and build 4 foundation piles and win the game. Setup. Setup starts with 7 cards. Deal 7 adjacent cards on the table, the first face up and the following face down. Next, deal 6 cards, the second face up and the remaining face down. Same thing for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Let's start the game. So the first thing I'll do is I'll check the table to see if there's an ace I can use to start up a foundation pile. Here, I see an ace of clubs, so I'll remove this from the table to create my first foundation pile. Now that I've moved the ace, I've exposed a face down card. I can flip this to provide me some new moves. Now let's make some more moves. The rules are I can stack cards if it's one lower and the opposite color. So here I can place this red 8 onto the black 9. Oh look, I can also shuffle this black jack onto the red queen. Ooh, bingo! There's a card for my foundation pile. The 2 of clubs is staring me in the face. There can always be up to 7 piles on the table. Feel free to move kings into empty spots and move stacks as you wish. Now, there will be a point where you get stuck and you can no longer manipulate the table. At this point, you can tap into your reserve pile. For the reserve pile, flip 3 cards at a time and see if you can place the top one. Continue exploring your options via the table and the reserve pile with the goal of exposing as many foundation cards in sequence as possible. The game ends by either winning or getting stuck with no more moves to make. And in my situation, it looks like I'm quite stuck. So my game wasn't great, but with these tips, hopefully you'll do better. Considerations. Build your 4 foundation piles. Move cards around the table to unlock new options. Build on the table in alternating colors and descending order. Empty spaces in the table can be filled with a king. If you can't make a move, draw from the reserve pile. That's it, folks. Enjoy the game.